As we produce food to feed the 7.5 billion people currently living on Earth, we are greatly contributing to global environmental problems such as climate change, biodiversity loss, and decreasing freshwater supplies. A large part of this destructive cycle is the unhealthy but very popular Western-style diet, characterized by food that is high in calories, high in fat and sugar, and high in meat and other animal protein. Although the global growth of our population is slowing down, it has been estimated that there will be about 10 billion people worldwide by 2050. And while we need to be sure that this population can enjoy a healthy diet, we also need to act now to repair and protect the environment for the future. A move towards sustainable human food, that is to say food which has a minimal effect on environmental systems and processes, is absolutely essential if we are to achieve this. Red meat, namely meat from ruminants such as cattle and sheep, has the worst impact on the environment, followed by other types of meat and animal products such as dairy and eggs, all of which have a far greater impact than plant-based food. Climate change is caused by rising greenhouse gas emissions such as methane, nitrous oxide, and carbon dioxide, and it is estimated that food production, led by animal products, is behind 30% of these emissions. In cattle and sheep farming, methane and nitrous oxide are produced during the animal's digestion and excretion, while carbon dioxide is produced by burning land and forests to create space for pastures for cattle or cropland to grow animal feed. To make matters worse, most clearances happen in biodiversity-rich areas. For example, Brazil alone lost on average of 2.7 million hectares of forest every year between 2000 and 2014, which makes the total area cleared equal to 1.5 times the size of the UK. These clearances are major contributors to biodiversity loss, which in turn has an impact on food production, as pollinators such as bees and natural predators of pests are killed. It is not necessary to become vegetarian or vegan, as red meat and animal protein can be part of a healthy diet. The recent Eat Lancet Commission established that limiting the amount of red meat and animal protein would not just achieve a massive reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, but would also free up cropland, which then can be used for growing human food instead, and lower water use and fertilizer application. Further research is now needed to understand how dietary shifts can continue to reduce the impact on the environment. Dietary change is essential, accompanied by more efficient and sustainable farming practices and food production. Only this can lead to a healthier planet and healthier population, and we need to act now.